Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to the WeChat account. So basically just go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and from here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the WeChat, and I'm going to just double check if the WeChat app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. This is why I constantly reminding you guys that you need to update the app, because normally some of the issues that you might come across inside the WeChat app, it comes because you haven't checked if there is a new update or something like that, because WeChat constantly give a new update every time to their apps. So basically you'll need to double check every time, right? This is like what I do basically. So I'm gonna just open up the WeChat app, and I'm gonna just go ahead and allow the notification and all that, and just go ahead right here into login right here. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna enter your phone number, and then you're gonna accept and continue. And if you want to add your password, or if you want to log in with your SMS, they send you like a verification code, and then you're gonna be able to log in like a verification kind of a thing. You might as well do it, right? But if you don't have an account, cancel this step and just go ahead and click sign up, and you have three options. You can sign up with a mobile phone, with your own personal mobile phone, or you can use the Apple, the iCloud, or you can use the Facebook, right? So this is like three options available to you, so you can log in with your WeChat account and just enjoy the experience. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.